Hi folks, my name is Sergey Lemberg. I'm a consumer lawyer specializing in fair debt collection cases, representing consumers who have a case against debt collectors or creditors for harassment or abuse. A large part of my practice is in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and I want to explain to you today a couple of things about how the law works with respect to debt collection in Massachusetts, how consumers are protected. Well, the first way is the federal law called the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, enacted in the 70s, that protects consumers from harassment or abuse by debt collectors. That obviously is enforceable in Massachusetts as well. It's a strict liability statute. It's like a speeding ticket. If you're going 1 mile over the limit, if they break the law in any way, shape, or form, they may be liable to you for the violation. That's number one. The second thing is Martha Coakley, a couple of years ago, enacted a separate set of regulations that mirror the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, but differ in some significant respects. The Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the federal law, doesn't cover creditors. The regulations in Massachusetts, however, give you a cause of action against a creditor for harassment, abuse, or misleading tactics. Number two, the most significant way that the regulations in Massachusetts differ from the federal regulations is that they allow the debt collectors or creditors only 2 calls a week. That's right, they can only call you 2 times, no more, and if they call you more, they're liable for the violation. So there's a separate set of laws or regulations in addition to the Federal Debt Collection Practices Act. The third difference is that Chapter 93A in Massachusetts, the General Consumer Protection Statute, might allow you to recover treble damages for the violations you've suffered. Suppose a debt collector caused you to incur expenses or incur medical bills, or they've harassed or abused you in such a way that's caused you financial losses. Well, you might be able to recover under Chapter 93A 3 times the losses that you have suffered. The fourth thing you need to know is that these statutes are enforceable in federal courts and in state courts. Now, that means that you can file a small claims lawsuit against a debt collector, you can file a lawsuit in the Superior Court in Massachusetts, or you can file, since there's a federal statute involved, you can file a lawsuit in federal court. There are 3 federal courts in Massachusetts: Springfield Division, Worcester Division, and there is the main court in Boston, where you can walk in with $350 and file a lawsuit against the debt collector who is harassing you. The fifth and final thing you need to know about fair debt collection laws in Massachusetts is that if you think you have a case, think about picking up the phone and giving us a call. We take cases on contingency. We advance filing fees. We've helped thousands of consumers, and if you suspect you might be a victim of harassment by a debt collector or creditor in Massachusetts, pick up the phone, give us a call, see if we can help you.